Hey guys, this is Alam and welcome back to in my channel. Friend, in this video, I gonna share with that what is benefit of speaking English. So, friend, if you know how to speak English, so let's start this video without of any further delay. So, friend, if you know how to speak English, so it is good for you and it is good for opportunity to get a good job. So, friend, if you want to get any good job, so that owner can required to speak English as you know that. Okay, guys. So if you know how to speak English, so it is good for you make someone to speak English. And as you know that you see that the man who belong to rich family, those student, those boys speak English maybe because they are able to pay a fee and they can join in any school, they can join in any speaking classes. But those students belong to poor family and they don't have no much money, so it is difficult for them to speak English. Because I know that speaking English is child's play, because this is language, this is not a subject. And if you practice, so you can speak English, as you know that. But it is not normal to speak English, I think. It is easy to speak English, normal student can speak English. But if they don't follow rule of speaking English, they don't follow any rules, so how they can improve? So they can only think that how to speak English, but they can't speak English. Yeah, because every teachers, everyone tell that speaking English very easy to speak English. But tell me guys, if you don't practice, then how it can easy to speak English? Okay guys, so in this video I'm telling you that do practice. And why is benefit of speaking English. So you know that if you know how to speak English, and in your whole family if someone don't know how to speak English, so you can make someone to speak English, like your native person. And if you want to make speak to someone, like if there is your brother at your home, if there is any kids in your home, so you can make him to speak English. Okay guys, so I'm telling you that it is good for you to make someone to speak English. And if they require to speak English, so you can easily teach them and they can start speaking English. Okay guys, so speaking English, if you want to speak English, so if you think that I will learn then I will speak, so it is your illusion. If you learn, if you think that we have to learn then I will speak English, so it is your illusion. So don't do like this. And I will suggesting you that what you learn, if you learn one usage or one phrasal verb, and one any tenses, practice on that topic. Practice and make a 20 sentences on one topic. Okay guys, so if you do like this, so definitely you can speak English. And because in order to speak English, I know that if you do practice, then you can perfectly speak English, you can speak very fluency. And if you don't do practice, so how you can speak English? Okay, so if you know how to speak English, so it is benefit for your whole family, because you can make m- because you can make him to speak English. And if you want, you can change your environment of your society. Because on that topic, if you avoid hesitation, if you avoid feel shy, so you can try to make all want to speak English. Okay guys, so if you do like this, so every person they try to be a curious to learn English. Because English is a popular language, you know that it is popular of all world, you know that. So it is very good for you. And if you learn, it is good for you. Okay guys, so so I'm telling you once more again, don't be in illusion that we have to learn then we have to speak. No, we have to practice what we have to learn on that topic. We have to practice and we have to keep in our mind, and we have to think in English how to speak English fluency. And every time, not every time, when you get time, so that time you can practice. And what you are going to speak, if you know your own language like Hindi, Bhojpuri, what is your language, I don't know, but my language is Hindi. So if you speak Tamil, if you speak uh, Telugu, what you speak, okay? So before speaking, if you are, if you are learner, so you can convert in English, then you can speak. Okay, if you do like this, so you can speak English and you can get any good job. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video and please like and subscribe my channel.